Good morning and a warm welcome to one and all. Women's Equality Day is celebrated in United States on 26th August to commemorate the 1920 adoption of the 19th Amendment. It was first celebrated on 1972, designated by the Congress in 1973, and is proclaimed each year by the United States President. For further information on the topic, we have Adra with a speech and slideshow.
Empowering a woman means empowering a generation. This is Adra of EdTech. Today I would like to share my thoughts on an important topic, women empowerment.
In most regions of the world, women receive less formal education than men. At the same time, women's knowledge, abilities, and coping mechanisms often go unrecognized. Education is one of the most important means of empowering women with knowledge, skill, and self-confidence is necessary to participate fully in development process. Government should establish mechanisms to accelerate women's equal participation in equitable representation at all levels of political process and public life in each community and society, and enable women to articulate their concerns and needs and ensure the full and equal participation of women in decision-making process in all spheres of life. Government should take every possible action to remove all the gaps and inequalities pertaining to women's livelihood and participation in labor markets through creation of employment with secure incomes, which have been shown to advance women's empowerment and enhance their reproductive health. Accordingly, Government of India have introduced certain women empowerment initiatives such as My Lahi Hath is a direct online platform launched by the Ministry of Women and Child Development to support women enterprise, self-help groups and non-government organizations. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, a social campaign aimed at reduction of female foresight and raising awareness on welfare services intended for young girls. One-stop center scheme, popularly known as Saki, is established at various locations in India, providing shelters, police, desk, legal, medicinal, and counseling services to victims of violence under one roof, integrated with 24-hour helpline. Savdagram is launched by Union Ministry of Women and Child Development, a scheme that caters to primary needs of women in difficult circumstances. Nari Shakti Puraskar is an annual award given by the Ministry of Women and Child Development of Government India to individual or women or to institute that work towards these causes of women empowerment. Now, I'm concluding my words by saying that there is no tool for development more effective than the empowerment of women. Thank you.
Thank you, Adra. Skit is a powerful medium to represent life. Let's watch a short and informative skit by our dear friends.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to take attendance. So, students, who's this Kutambulla 123? Did Kutambulla came to study?
It's Soya, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
Whoever it is, just change your name, okay? If you don't change that name, you'll be marked as absent. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, children, everyone is present. So, we are going to learn an important matter. Everyone, please listen.
You're not audible, ma'am. My mic is not working, ma'am. I can't hear anybody, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, stop it, Ananya. If your mic is not working, then how are you speaking and making a buzz? Stop it, okay?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. I'm
I'm going to ask a question. Switch on the video, Neha. Switch on the video. Neha.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to ask a question. When is Equality Day celebrated? Women's Equality Day celebrated. Who is it? Come on, tell me who is eating nuts?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think
Come on, tell me.
it's Zoya, ma'am.
Come on.
Ma'am, I think it's me, ma'am.
Zoya, are you there? Whoever it is, if you do
Hello,
anything
ma'am.
like that. Yes. Just get out of the class if you do anything like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now answer the question. Answer the question now.
I know. Can I tell?
Yes, you can answer, Krishna.
On 26th August is celebrated and it's Mother Teresa's birthday. That day.
Very good, that's correct, Krishna. However, children, we have only 5 more minutes left. We can stop the meeting here. You may leave. Children, did Zoya leave?
Ma'am, Zoya called me and said she had network issue, so she said she can't join the class now.
Okay. Tell her to message me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Who is blowing in the mic? Oh my god, my ears.
It's Krishna, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's Krishna.
Sorry, ma'am. So sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Clara, can you do a presentation tomorrow?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You all can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. As yesterday I couldn't finish the topic, today we'll finish, okay? Clara, tell your sibling to move away.
So sorry, ma'am. I'll tell.
Now, Clara, can you share the presentation?
Oh, ma'am, I forgot.
Clara,
So
can you
sorry,
share the
ma'am.
presentation?
I forgot.
Ma'am, I can't hear anybody, ma'am. Your audio is not clear, ma'am.
Sorry, I forgot.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I can't see anybody, ma'am.
I didn't call you, Ananya. Stop it, okay? Whatever. Let's discuss about women's equality day. So let me share a content. Who is it? Come on, tell me who is it?
Neha, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. I accidentally put the music. Sorry, ma'am. So sorry, ma'am.
What accidentally, huh? Children, I have been trying to teach you something very important and you are taking it as a joke. What is happening? Sometimes someone blows into the mic, sometimes music. Huh. What is it?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Whatever, I don't care. I'm going to
Sorry,
teach
ma'am.
it. I'm going to teach it today itself. Those who want to listen, listen. Let me share the content first. So we are going to learn about Women's Equality Day. Women's Equality Day is celebrated in the United States on August 26 to commemorate the 1920 adoption of 19th Amendment to the United States Constitution, which prohibits the states and the federal government from denying the right to vote to citizens of the United States on the basis of gender. It was first celebrated in 1973 and is proclaimed each year by United States President. A nation can progress and attain higher development growth only when both men are cornered and refrain from getting equal rights as men to health, education, decision making, and economic independence in terms of wages. Many people all over the world have protected their rights in many places, even in India. Child marriage, sati, etc. are practiced. Many have raised their voice against this. Ram Mohan Roy, Indira Gandhi are some who work for women. For overall well-being and growth of a nation, scoring high on gender equality is the most crucial aspect. Countries with less disparity in gender equality girls are also there. However, we need more awareness of spreading knowledge of women's rights. In addition, the government should take initiative to check the correct and proper implementation of policies. Thank you.
Sorry, ma'am, for the inconvenience we have caused.
Sorry, ma'am, for the trouble. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, for the trouble.
It's okay. You all are my children. No problem. However, only 5 more minutes left till the meeting end. So you all can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
That is a marvelous performance. Embodiment of power or Shakti is manifestation of love, devotion, confidence and energy. Shakti is the dance of life. This was a bold and beautiful performance.
உலகம் காண்க ஆரோக்கியம் കരുണയൊടു പെണ്ണാൾ കടലുകൾ കാതിൽ കുറുകുമേ അവൾ എഴുതുമോ മൽക്കുരലുകൾ നീളേ നിന്നളകങ്ങളിൽ പൂക്കും പൊൻപുലർവേളകൾ പംകുഴലൂതി നിറതിങ്കൾ കലപൂക്കും പെൺപൈതലിന്നാവേറുകൾ അൻപിൽ കളിയാടി ഇൻപം കുഴലൂതി നിന്നിൽ ചിറകാർന്നോരുണ്മതൻ വെൺപ്രാവുകൾ ചാരേ നിൻ ചുവടോർമകൾ ചായം പകരുന്നുവോ മാൻമിഴി റിമോ உலகம் காண்க ஆரோமல் சிறியாள் பாலே மறுமொழி நிற நிறையு நீ அகமே பாலே அழகே அலையா ஆபாயே பொருளா
Thank you, group, for your outstanding performance. Have you heard about the lines Kaho Pladi Mardani wo to Jhansi wali Rani thi? Let's recall the legendary woman Rani Lakshmi Bai, who laid down her life for the freedom struggle. We have here Nantika with a beautiful recital of the poem.
नमस्कार, आज मैं आपके सामने सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान की झांसी रानी नामक कविता प्रस्तुत करने वाली हूँ। झांसी रानी। सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रकुटी तानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में आई फिर से नई जवानी थी, गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगी को करने की सपने मन में ठानी थी, चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, कानपुर के नाना की मुबोली बहन चबेली थी, लक्ष्मी भाई नाम पिता की वह संतान अकेली थी, नाना के संग पट्टी थी वह नाना के संग केली थी, बर्ची टाल कृपान कटारी उसकी यही सहेली थी, वीर शिवाजी की गादायम उसकी याद जबानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह दो झांसी वाली रानी थी, लक्ष्मी थी या दुर्गा थी वह स्वयं वीरता की अवतार, देख मराठे पुलकित होते उसके तलवारों के वार, नकली युद्ध व्यूह की रचना और केलना को शिकार, सैन्य खेरना दुर्गा तोड़ना ये थे उसके प्रिय खिलवार, महाराष्ट्र कुल देवी उसकी भी आराध्य भवानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। धन्यवाद।
Friends, hope you all enjoyed the program of Standard 8. I thank Principal Father Binopatraklam CMI for giving us this opportunity and our teachers for their moral support and guidance in bringing up this together. And finally, I thank my dear friends for their participation and cooperation. Continue to be home and stay safe. Thank you all.